The ultimate 2-in-1 beverage and wine cooler with 2 separate cooling zones for faster, more efficient cooling. Impress your guests with your perfectly chilled whites or reds, the silent function and sleek design of your mini wine cooler. Advanced dual zone cooling technology uses 2 electromagnetic valves to cool both zones simultaneously. Energy efficient mini refrigerator chills drinks 6 times faster than single valve beverage coolers while saving energy and time. Keep all your drinks at optimum temperature. Ideal for wine lovers and people who like to entertain. This roomy French door refrigerator can hold up to 20 750 milliliter bottles of your favorite red, white or rosé wines and up to 66 cans. Freestanding or under counter. Our black wine cooler mini fridge features stainless steel French doors with double layer glass and a front vent, which makes it the perfect under counter wine refrigerator or freestanding beverage cooler. Next gen smart features for serious wine lovers. Keep your expensive Napa Valley Cabernet Sauvignon and Chardonnay safe from accidents thanks to the smart temperature memory function that restores the desired temperature after power outages.